Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ATP Creative Corner. In today's video, I am going to be making this brocade handbag. This handbag can be made in any other printed fabric as well. Please subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. Now let's get started. For the template, I have taken a rectangular sheet with dimensions 12 inches across 10 inches. I am going to fold it in half like this. Next, at the bottom right corner, I am going to make a 2-inch square like this. Next, I am going to cut it along the marked line like this. And our template is ready now. Using this template, I am going to cut the fabric for our handbag. So I have cut 2 pieces of the main fabric, that is brocade fabric. And 2 pieces of interfacing. I have taken duck canvas, you can use any other interfacing. And 2 pieces of lining fabric. In the first step, on the wrong side of the main fabric, I am going to place the interfacing piece like this and give straight stitches on the edges. Now my interfacing piece is attached to the main fabric. So next step is optional, but I am going to give 2 or 3 straight stitches on the main panels like this. Here I have given 3 stitches. Next, for the handle, I have taken 2 pieces from the main fabric and 2 pieces of interfacing fabric. Main fabric pieces are of dimensions 12 inches across 4.5 inches. Interfacing pieces are of dimensions 12 inches across 3.5 inches. So interfacing piece is 1 inch less than the main fabric. Next, on the wrong side of the main fabric, I am going to place the interfacing piece at the center, and I am going to fold the main fabric over the interfacing piece like this. I am using sewing clips to hold them in place like this. Now I'll give straight stitches on both the sides. Now it's done. Next I'm going to fold it in half like this and give stitches on both the sides. Our handle is ready now. You can use this as it is, but I'm going to do an extra step where I'm going to fold the handle in half like this and mark points 2.5 inches from the center like this. So we have 2 points which are 5 inches apart like this. Next, I'll fold the handle again between these 2 points like this. I'm using sewing clips to hold them in place. Next, I'm going to give straight stitch only on this side between these 2 points. And our handles are ready now. Next, to attach the handles, I'm going to fold the main panel in half like this. And I'm going to make a notch mark at the center like this. Next, I'm going to mark points 2 inches from the center on both the sides like this. Next, I'm going to place the handle with its right sides facing downwards on these 2 points like this. Now I'll give straight stitches here. Now it's done. Both the handles are attached now. Next, I've taken a zipper which is 12 inches in length. Next, on the main panel, I'm going to place the zipper with its right sides facing downwards like this. Lining fabric with its right sides facing downwards like this. I'm using sewing clips to keep them in place like this. Now I'll give a straight stitch here. Once done, it will look something like this. The zipper is sandwiched between the lining fabric and the main fabric. Now I'll give a top stitch here. Top stitch is done. Next, on the other piece of the main fabric, I am going to place the zipper piece with its right sides facing downwards like this. Lining piece with its right sides facing downwards like this. I am using sewing clips to keep them in place like this. Now I'll give a straight stitch here. Now it's done. Next, I'm going to give a top stitch on this side as well. Top stitch is done. Next, I'm going to place the fabric pieces such that the main fabric pieces are facing each other and lining pieces are facing each other. Next, I'm going to use sewing clips to ensure that the pieces are aligned properly like this. Next, I'm going to mark points that are 3 to 4 inches apart on the lining fabric like this. Now, I'm going to give straight stitches on all these sides, leaving the fabric between these 2 points unstitched. Now it's done. Next, I am going to open these corners such that the seams are one on top of the other like this. Now I'll give straight stitch here. Similarly, I am going to repeat this step for the other 3 corners as well. Once done, it will look something like this. Now from this open space, I am going to turn the right side of the bag outwards like this. Lastly, I am going to push the raw edges on the lining fabric inside like this and give a straight stitch here. And our brocade handbag is ready now. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.